Welcome back to Grandma's Alice's Kitchen. Today I'm going to introduce you to cook Mui Choy Kawil, which is a Hakka dish. Let me introduce you the ingredients. Mui Choy. You buy the Mui Choy, the sweet one, you can get it in the market. Garlic, black kicap, cooking wine, which I poured into the bowl, and pork belly. You must soak the Mui Choy first because it's very sandy, and wash it 2 or 3 times. Boil 2 strips of pork belly for about 10 minutes. Take it out and use a fork to prick the skin like this. Use a little bit of oil, any oil will do. Place the pork belly in the hot oil for a few seconds, then flip constantly. When the skin looks like this color, take the pork out and leave it aside. Now we are going to fry the Mui Choy. First, saute half a cup of garlic in the oil. Once garlic is brown, put in the Mui Choy. Put in half a cup of black kicap. Next, pour 3 tablespoons of cooking wine. Then pour in water like this much. Boil the Mui Choy until soft. Meanwhile, cut the pork like this to make the size thinner. I'm an expert in cutting the pork, but be careful not to cut your own finger. After about 15 to 20 minutes, when the water has boiled and evaporated, add in the chopped pork slices. Taste the sauce. If it is not sweet enough to your liking, add sugar to taste. Close the lid and let it boil for half an hour on a slow fire until the pork is soft. You can use a pressure cooker if you have to speed up the process. Your Mui Choy Kawil is now ready to serve. Wow, look at how awesome it is. My mouth is watering already. So nice. It melts in the mouth. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. And this is the wine which I poured it out. Oh yeah.